Hello guys, welcome back again to Sun Photography. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove these reds in the model's face in just like 2 to 3 minutes. So firstly, we are going to come to hue and saturation. So we are going to come and get this hand icon. So we are going to come and sample the reds in our model's skin. So after that, we are going to play around with the hue. We are going to drag it all our way to the right side, to the right hand side, as you can see. So, and we are going to do the same on the saturation. So after that, we are going to play around with these bars. Remember, we are targeting the reds. So drag this bar to a point where you see that the reds are selected, as you can see. So after that, come back to the hue and saturation and drag it to the left hand side to around 0%. I'll just put 0, and then here also drag it around 0%. So I will increase on the lightness. So remember, we are removing these reds in our model skin. So after that, I will also drag this hue, this saturation, and then I'll do the same on the hue. So after that, come and mask this layer. You just need to press Ctrl I. So after that, come and get brush. Make sure it's a soft round brush, and make sure that the hardness is at 0%. So come and get this brush and start brushing on the reds. So after that, you can get the healing tool to remove those remaining reds to make it perfect. So you can see here before and then after, before and after, before and after. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel and please like our video so that YouTube pushes it to so many people. Thank you and bye bye.